Hi everyone, today I just completed my 2 weeks of the lockdown out of 4, so I'm halfway through. It's been not so easy. First week was a breeze, last week was a bit more challenging because it was supposed to be 2 weeks and then we extended for another 2 weeks, so it kind of played on my mind, but going into the end of the second week, I'm kind of getting into the rhythm of it, as you can also see from my sketchbook series if you've been following me. So I started off during the first week with alcohol drawings. I think I was going through a denial phase, so it was just plenty of alcohol bottles. And here you go, excited. So this week I've decided that I'm gonna enjoy my time at home, enjoy the view. I'm so lucky I have a very amazing view, and yeah, so my series is all about birds, making friends with nature. It's probably psychologically is the acceptance phase. Hope you're doing well where you are, and maybe it's a good idea to start an art challenge. This is one of the ways that has been keeping my day structured. So I'll wake up, I'll do a sketch of the day, I would meditate, I do workouts every other day, and then the rest of the time I spend clearing my emails, and I've started doing some online courses in between doing some paintings. So just to keep myself busy, productive and sane. Enjoy my sketch, and I'll see you soon.